How to move channels on Roku. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can move channels on your Roku to prioritize the icons you click on most often. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have more than a handful of channels on your Roku's home screen, you might want to organize them to make the channels you use most often easier to find. Thankfully, it's very easy to move channels around the home screen and you can put them in any order you like, and here's how to do it on your Roku device. Using your Roku remote, navigate to the channel that you want to move first of all, then press the asterisk button. The details pop-up window should appear up like this, as you could clearly see. Once you've done so, select the option called Move Channel and you should see the arrows appear around the icon. And as you do that, using the arrow buttons on the remote, move the channel icon around the screen until you position it where you want it to be. And when you're done, press OK on the remote to save the position. Now, just repeat the process for each streaming channel app that you want to remove around the screen. If you don't want to see an app appear on the home screen at all, you can also choose to remove channel from the details pop-up. And that's all it takes to move channels on Roku. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.